Back at a client's house, they wanted to add on some more snow stops. It's a 2-bar system by S5. We've gone ahead and pre-painted all the parts. We had them powder coated by our supplier, and they just pinch right onto the seam. We don't penetrate the steel in any way. So follow along and I'll show you the install. All right, here's a list of the tools you're gonna need. You need a 5/16 nut driver, a 1/2 inch nut driver, the supplied T25 Torx bit that comes with the system, any kind of utility knife will do, measuring tape, pencil, a pair of vice grips, flat bar of some kind, or even a flathead screwdriver would work. A drill impact or standard drill will work just fine, and a circular saw and a power source. All right, let's get to work. It is a bracket that pinches to the seam. So there's 2, 3, 4 components to this one bracket. The first component would be the main bracket itself. So here's just the bracket that the pipes will sit through. Here are S5's patented seam block. This Torx head bolt right here, and they supply you with a bit. That action would pinch against the seam, and that's how the system is held to the standing seam roof without making any holes in the actual roof, which is the best kind, because you're going to encounter problems when you put holes in your roof. So we'll keep from doing that. All right, let's what they'll send you is a bag full of these, a Torx head, and they also, they supply the bit too. So you're going to take the bag of these, and they send you the blocks just like this. What I do is I just put the one seam bolt in. I do this to all of the seam clamp in preparation for the job. One bracket requires two seam clamps for the double bar system. All I'm doing is getting these started, just like this, and again just like this, and we're just leaving them loose. I'll show you what I'm going to do to the snow bars to get them ready to bring up to the roof for a quick and easy install. We're just going to take those brackets we prepared earlier and start feeding them onto all the bars. Basically what we have in the end are sections of 2 bars with preloaded brackets on all of them. Count your seam spacing and it'll tell you how many brackets you need. Is from the seam up, I've measured 20 inches. With all of my brackets on the pipe already, I'm just setting it on the roof to my marks and screwing them on, like so. Getting my drill in there and screwing it. What I want to do here is, before I tighten everything down, I'm going to insert my pipe splices. And then I'm gonna put my pipes together. Get them like this. This way we can hide this color here. And now we can go ahead and tighten all the bracket bolts. Make sure everything's good. Line them up so they're right in line with the block. We're going to be installing the ice flags now, halfway between each seam, and we're just going to screw it right in there. That's it. Okay, on the ends of these pipes, in order for us to keep them from sliding side to side, they actually provide these anti-slip locking rings. Okay, one for each pipe, and you would put them on each end, and it's just to tighten up with an Allen key. But keep these Allen keys pointing up the roof so you don't see them from the ground for aesthetic reasons, and just tighten them right on. They give these little decorative end caps that you just snap in, just like that. Isn't that nice looking? All right, the best way to cut this stuff, because it's aluminum, it's very soft, and all you need is a wood blade and a circular saw. I'll show you how well that cuts. No problem. And you can cut using that blade all day long. It doesn't even damage the blade.